Hello learners, today we start the topic of wireless sensor network part 3. In this video we discuss about the behavior type of wireless sensor node network in various environment conditions, how it works as and behaves in the different and adverse or different environment condition. I am Parvesh Kumar, here is my Gmail ID. Now we discuss about one by one of wireless node behavior type. There are two type of divided into the normal and misbehavior. Misbehavior is further divided into two parts: unintentionally, intentionally, and unintentionally is further divided to fed and badly fed, and intentionally have two type: malicious and selfish. Now we discuss about one by one type of behavior. Hey, in the normal type is same same. It works properly in ideal environment condition, like a normal sensor node work, like normal behave. But in failed node, it is unable to perform an operation due to power failure or environmental condition. Events. If we have adverse environment condition, then it uh, not perform its operation due not properly. But in the badly failed nodes, the difference is that it is same likely the failed nodes, but the difference is that it it performs the operation, but it transmits the wrong data or false data to the sync node or coordinator. So we have a false data. Now the next is selfish node. If un, unwillingness to cooperate as the protocol requires, it simply means that if we have to transmit a message, and a node get this message and it don't forward to it to another node to perform a particular operation, eh? Then it's called selfish node. Particularly, it don't perform its operation when it require. Then we have malicious node protocol, disrupt the correct operation of routing protocol. It alters the perform operation of a sensor node in the malicious node operation. Now we next behavior type in dynamic misbehavior. It is like a dump behavior. Dump behavior simply means that a sensor node listen all over the data to its neighboring sensor node, but it not forward it to another node. It's called dump behavior or dynamic misbehavior. It's due to the adverse environment condition or power failure, or if the communication is in like in bad weather condition, the and fog, badly fog, then the communication uh, is shrink. It don't communicate in bad weather condition. Then it is called dump behavior. It it cut to the another nodes. It don't communicate with the other nodes. It's called dynamic misbehavior or dump behavior. Like in this in dump behavior, it can sense its surrounding but is unable to transmit the sense data. Dump behavior is temporal in nature, means that it is natural, that if we have adverse environment it can't communicate. It is natural. There is a proper process, a process that we have to communicate this cu- cutoff node to all its neighboring node. Eh, One of the solutions is we can re-establish the communication between the cutoff node and its neighboring node, and another protocol we used to communicate with each other. Now, thank you for listening to me.